Welcome to HQR. In this quick tutorial, we'll show you how to upload a population and sampling file. From the dashboard, go to the navigation menu on the left side of your screen. Select Data Submissions. Then select the Population and Sampling tab. In this example, we'll upload a file to production. Select the Production tab. Now you are on the Upload page. To upload a file, choose Select Files. Select a file from your computer. You'll then be prompted to pick up an HQR program in the Program Designation screen. You'll see the file processing on the right. Once it's finished, it will confirm acceptance with a green checkmark. To enter via Dataform, select Dataform. Then select Launch Dataform for the program of your choice. Under Reporting Period, select the quarter for your data, and then select Start Measure. If you uploaded data through a file and it was accepted, then you will see the data populated already. Add your data. Once you are ready, select Submit. You can edit the data by clicking on the Edit button. And that's it. Look for more quick tutorials at hqr.cms.gov/support.